I'm going to show you how to make curry pop. Curry pop like a snack, like a starter before you having dinner or sometime for tea and all that. Very good. So here my ingredient. I have a chicken thigh, around 3 chicken thigh, and I cut in the small cube. And here my curry powder, and I use Franny Baba curry meat powder, and I use it around 2 tablespoons, and I have 1 onion chopped, and 1 big teaspoon of ginger paste, and 3-4 garlic I chop it, and I use 2 medium size of potato, and I cut the cube pieces like chicken, and I have cooking oil here, and I have salt, and here is my pastry. I use this pastry, it's so good and save a lot of time. So now I'm going to show you step by step. Here I got salt, and I have water in a boiling pan. Boiling water around 1.5 cup of water, and I put a pinch of salt in hot water, and then I put my potato in cube in here. So let it boil this around 5 minutes. You have to touch it. It's a little bit soft. That means you have to drain out. That cook. No need very soft, otherwise overcook. So now it's 5 minutes. I've been boiling in hot water. So now time to put it drain and in here in the sink, and then I put the cold water run over so my potato is not overcooked. So when you cook with chicken, they're more easy to go in with the chicken. So now it's been boiled with cold water now, and let it drain out and put aside. And now we're going to cook a chicken. So now I'm going to cook a chicken. So I put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in my pot. 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to put my ginger, garlic, and onion. Stir fry this to a bit golden brown and smell coming good. Stir fry this around 2 to 3 minutes. So now my garlic and onion are a bit brown now. I'm going to put my curry powder inside here and give a good mix together, like maybe around 1 minute or 50 seconds. Yeah, good smell coming now. So I'm going to put my chicken thigh here. So a good mix together. Mix well with my curry powder and everything in here. Then we're going to add some water. So now I'm going to add some water to let the chicken cook through. So my water around 1/4 cup of water. Yes, I put like that. And we mix well and let it cook maybe around 7 minutes. So now I am making everything well together, and I let it cook in medium flame, and I going to cover it cook around 5 to 7 minutes. So cover it here and come and check it. So now my curry, chicken curry around 5 to 7 minutes now. So now I'm going to add my potato white gold early. So just put inside here. And I mix with my chicken curry. Make it well together. And turn it high flame. And you cook this around 3 to 4 minutes more to let the potato all a little bit soft to chicken, so not so crunchy when you bite. So all have to be going together smooth and nice and a little bit dry too. So let it cook around 3 to 4 minutes more. So now I time to add salt in here. So put some salt. Salt to taste. If you don't have enough salt, you put more. So now I put some, and then later on I might taste how it goes. Otherwise you can put some more. Okay. So I cook in medium heat and let it cook around 2 to 3 minutes now. And I'll cover it. So now around 3 to 4 minutes I'm going to give a shake, and I'm going to mix it and stir it to see how it's going. Here. And give a good mix like that. And then I'm going to taste this enough salt. So let it taste. Yum. But I think it's enough salt, but I need to cook a little more. You can see that they are not very soft yet. Have a little bit more soft, and all together is, combined together. So I'm leave it cook maybe around 2 to 3 minutes more. You can see that all together, soft together. That means it's good. So let it cook a little more. Cover it 3-4 minutes. So I think this now is okay. I'll turn it off and see that it's been cooked and all of it together now. And here is my spoon. You can see this a bit soft like that. Okay. So now I first put my filling in the bowl here and let it cook. Let it cold, completely cold before you make filling. So I let it cool down, put aside, let it cool down, and now I'm going to show you how to cut the pastry. So now while my filling sitting aside for cooling down, so now I'm going to show you how I'm cutting the pastry to make curry pop. So here is my pastry. So I'm going to take my scissors, cut it out. Take it out, and you need to take one by one out. Yeah. Put this aside here. Then I put in on the cutting board like this. And here is my biscuit cutting. What you do is you do cutting like that. That's very easy. Just take like that. Cutting like this. Like this. And put aside. And you repeat all of the pastry, cut the same thing like that until finished. So now I'm going to show you how to fold the curry pop. and my filling been cooled down completely, and here I've been cutting my pastry. So now time to fold curry pop together. So here you put filling, one teaspoon of filling into a center of the pastry, and you fold in together like this, and you just press it down together like this, both sides, and you pinch it now. Start from the end, pinch it like that, and fold it, and you repeat it to the rest of the pastry. So you put around one big teaspoon of filling into the center of the pastry you've been cut, and you fold it together like this, like that, and pinch it together to make it more close it together like that, and you pinch it the end and fold it, pinch and fold it to the finish, to the end, and have a look, it's ready. This my curry pop is look good, and you keep repeat it until you finish your pastry and your filling. Finished folding my curry pop, so ready to deep fry it. And here is my fork, and I've been put to a cup of cooking oil, and now I'm going to test my cooking oil is hot enough. So it is hot enough. So now I'm going to put curry pop one by one in my hot oil. So it's hot. So I've been put all one by one my curry pop in hot oil, so I have to turn around. So when it burns one side, you have to turn it and all of the curry pop and let it cook until golden brown all both sides. So you have to be careful and keep on eye all the time with curry pop. Now my curry pop is getting golden brown here. You can see all both sides everywhere. So you just turn it off the oil and take it out. Yeah. You put in the pepper towel and the plate to let the oil come out of curry pop. It smells good, looking good. Can't wait to try it. So hi guys, I finished my curry pop. It look gorgeous, all both sides brown golden, and here is my sweet chili sauce going very well with each other. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and see you next time. Bye.